In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can delete a YouTube channel. Now, you can do this from your desktop, but I'm also going to show you how you can do it from your phone as well. I'm also going to give you two different methods just in case, one of them don't work. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the first method. Now, what you need to do is go to youtube.com and sign in. Now, if you're on your phone, what you need to do is not go to the app. You need to go to a web browser such as Safari or Google Chrome. Then you want to type in this link I got right here. Type in this URL. That'll take you to YouTube desktop mode. So from here, you can go ahead and do the exact same thing that somebody from desktop will be doing. For everybody, what you want to do is go up to the top right where your profile icon is and click on it so you can open up that menu. And then go down into settings. After clicking on settings, you'll see over on the left tab at the bottom, there'll be advanced settings. Click on that, and then you can see that you'll have delete channel from there. So from here, you need to sign in, and then you'll see that you have the option to either hide your content or you can go ahead and delete the channel in its entirety. If you decide to hide your content, that will hide all your videos and your playlists, and that will also get rid of your community posts versus just deleting everything. Picking which one you want to do, go ahead and check both the boxes, then click confirm. Confirm once again that you want to go ahead and do whichever option it is, and then that option will be done. Now that we got done with method number one, let's go ahead with method number two, in which case we need to go to YouTube Studio. Once again, if you are on your phone, what you want to do is not use the YouTube Studio app. Go to a web browser. Once again, type in studio.youtube.com and sign in from there. So now, once you're signed into YouTube Studio, what you want to do is go down to the bottom left, click on settings. And then once settings open up, you want to go to the channel tab. Then go to advanced settings and then scroll down until you see remove content from YouTube. And then from there, you're going to do the exact same thing that you did before, which is sign in, figure out which one you want to do, which is hide or delete the channel, and then confirm what you want to do. Now, let's say that you're deleting the old channel and you already have a new one set up. Well, something that you're going to want to know is settings that will help you save time for every video. This video right here can help you with doing that. So I suggest you check it out.